Today's episode is brought to you by our partner, Grundy Insurance. Since 1947, Grundy has provided America's auto enthusiasts with the best collector vehicle insurance. A Grundy policy includes agreed value coverage, unlimited mileage, and a zero deductible, as well as other included benefits like towing reimbursement and choice of repair shop. Grundy Insurance is family owned and keeps their rates low because guess what? They're car guys too. No matter what kind of collector car you have, muscle, exotic, or antique, give Grundy a call or visit them online for a quote.
Hey folks, once again it's Diego Rosenberg, the lead writer at the Collector Car Network, and right here we have a 1968 Dodge Dart GTS. Now, if you're like me, you think a Dodge Dart is some cheap economy transportation from the 1960s. However, the Dart GTS is the complete opposite. Not only is it nicely furnished, but also is equipped for performance with a 340 engine standard. Optional was a 383 at 300 horsepower, which was about 25 horsepower more than the 340. So you can see the GTS has a special hood, non-functional, just like the Roadrunners from 1968, although no relation between the Dodge and Plymouth models. Now, we go in the back, you can see it's got the Bumblebee stripe because it's a member of the Scat Pack, which included the Coronet RT, the Charger RT, and mid-year, the Super Bee. So the Scat Pack cars got Bumblebee stripes, but also you could get a longitudinal stripe on the Dart GTS. If you go online, you can see some of them with that kind of stripe. Now, because the GTS was a fancy version of the Dart, you can see this one's equipped with bucket seats, although bench, or maybe a split bench is probably a better way to describe it, was available. This car also has air conditioning, so it's somewhat unusual and rare to have something like that in a convertible such as a Dart GTS. That being said, about 400 of these were built, and this one is a very nice example of such. Thank you very much for watching the Collector Car Network. I'm Diego. Stay tuned for more Barrett-Jackson Scottsdale Fall Auction coverage.
Hey guys, thanks so much for watching our video. Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and comment down below your thoughts. Remember, if you want to collect a car of your own, check out our website at classiccars.com, which is our online marketplace with over 30,000 listings live on the site. Also, be sure to check out our sister website at AutoHunter.com, which is our 7-day online auction. Thanks again, and we'll see you guys in the next video.